ना मेक इन इंडिया की मिठाई उठा रहे। ये मेक इन इंडिया देश के लिए है। हाँ, सफल नहीं हुआ तो सफल होने के लिए क्या करना चाहिए, सफल होने में क्या कमियां हैं उसकी चर्चा होनी चाहिए।
To break the grip of corruption and black money, we have decided that the 500 rupee and 1000 rupee currency notes presently in use will no longer be legal tender from midnight to night.
दिख रही है ना ब्लैक मनी, तो वो कांग्रेस और बीजेपी के घर में जो ब्लैक मनी पड़ी वो कहाँ है? ये आंटी जी इतनी देर से वो अंकल जी खड़े थे, वो रिटायरमेंट है, 25,000 रुपये महीने आ रहा है उसके घर, शोर मचा रहा है। उस गरीब से पूछो जिसको 100 का नोट नहीं मिल रहा है। आंटी जी इतनी देर से बोल रही, मैं सुन रहा हूँ मोदी जी घंटा। व्हाट इज मोदी जी बोले आम पब्लिक जो यहाँ खड़ी है उसकी भी सुने आके। ये लाइन में खड़े वो जापान घूम रहा।
And we have some more breaking news coming in. Rahul Gandhi has attacked BJP and the Prime Minister on women's safety report over a global report which has claimed India is the most unsafe country for women.
दिल्ली में इतना निर्भया का काम चल रहा था, मुझे मीडिया ने बहुत पूछा था, मैंने कहा मेरी प्रायोरिटी है वुमेन डिग्निटी।
I don't think any woman or girl is safe in the country. I think people are just not scared. People feel that they can do anything to any woman, to any girl, and they can get away with it.
Breaking updates coming in this time by a tweet by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and he has in fact started with the Prime Minister's Cares Fund, and I quote, this is what his tweet says, that people from all walks of life express their desire to donate to India's war against COVID-19. Respecting that spirit, the Prime Minister's Citizen Assistance and Relief in Emergency Situations Fund has been constituted, and this will go a long way in creating a healthier India.
This is a democracy, it is not an elected autocracy. We need to remind this government. First, you are raising funds on the basis of public office. The very name, a Prime Minister's fund, makes people think this is government authority. So by saying it is not open to RTI, you are running away from the spirit of transparency you claim to be wedded to. Second, cabinet ministers are trustees administering the funds. So you are impermissibly expanding the scope of your ministerial office in excess of the mandate determined by the Constitution. The third, your commandeering resources. Donations are done by default. A circular issued on April 17 by the Department of Revenue under the Ministry of Finance told every officer and staff of the Government of India to contribute 1 day's salary till March 21. This would be deducted. If they wish to not donate, they should put this in writing. Tell me, in this atmosphere of fear and vengeance currently prevalent in this country, which bureaucrat, which public officer will say they do not wish to donate? I have only a few minutes left, and so bear with my bluntness. To this government, I say, stop lying to us all the time about growth rates, about migrant welfare.